Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 1.4 and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into a bootloader. And to get started you will want to hold your power key. From here select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. So let's do that right now. Now additionally, once you see the screen turn on, you want to let go of the power key but keep holding volume down. Oh, actually no, never mind, we don't actually need to, it automatically jumps into it. So anyway, once you see this mode right here, all you need to do is navigate using your volume keys and confirm using your power key. And as you can see, wait, fucking hell.